circle. Actually, I want to do that in black since it's not a color. Second circle listed was classical, so I'm going to make this the classical circle. And that would mean that this has to be the jazz circle. Now, you may not have labeled them that way, that's okay. Point is that you knew where you labeled them, so you know what section you're looking for. Classical and jazz. This piece right here. Total people, 27. Pieces, 14 and 13. Does that account for all 27 people?
Yes.
Absolutely. You're on a roll. Rock and classical. Rock and classical. 17 total. 14 accounted for. 3 left. Rock and jazz. 17 total. 14 accounted for. 3 on the outside. Having a plan of attack is the most important thing in any one of these exercises. If you don't have a plan and just try to look at all the words, it will drive you slap that crazy. Jazz had 38. How many have we accounted for so far? 30. Leaving. 46 in classical. How many have we accounted for so far? Leaving. 32 in rock. How many have we accounted for? Leaving. What haven't we accounted for? Outside. So do we have all the parts except one? So we had all the parts we have and taken away from the total. 25, 41, 44, 58, 71, 58, 71. Maybe I can't add anymore. Okay? I always look for something nicer. So there's 20, there's 30, so I got 50. There's 6, so 56 and 13. How many do I have? 65? 69. 69 outside the circles.
No, 69 altogether.
69 altogether. So 69 altogether, we have 113 total, so that should leave us with 44. The arithmetic is simple if you got all the pieces. I'm trying to do too much in my head. If you call me over while I'm in the lab, and you're looking at this problem, the first thing I'm going to say is, where's your circle, where's your diagram, where's your star? I'm not working it for you. You have all the information you need now to answer the questions. How many listen to only rock?
12.
Right there in front of you. How many listen to classical and jazz, but taking away rock?
13.
Classical and jazz is the 13-14 section, but you take away the rock section of the 14, so that leaves you a nice simple 13. Classical or jazz, combine them all together, but take away rock. So that means you're talking about this piece, and this piece, which is 37. Exactly one style of music. Exactly one would be here, here, and here, which takes us to 36. Now that's the secret to all Venn diagrams. Whether they give you the words and not the picture or anything at all, doesn't make a difference. So if I were to jump back here and say, Let me look at this one. I'm not gonna work this one. Let's see what they do in here. They label areas. They put Roman numerals with them. You don't need those Roman numerals. What you need is right here. At the bottom, and start working your way out. Okay? So there's one of the 3 circle Venn diagrams. There's a 2 circle Venn diagram. There's the second of the Venn diagrams. Oh my God, they didn't draw me a picture. But it doesn't take you too long to read if there are 3 different types of book. There's another one. Oh my God, same kind of problem we just got done with. Musical styles. There's another one with different types of degree programs. What is that, the 4th one?
Yeah.
And then we get some other things out there. So maybe they only gave you 4 of the 5. Not that it matters much. And now here's one that's similar to the one that we did to begin with, isn't it? Okay, so we see exercises that are similar to this nature that we should not have a problem with, hopefully anyway.